Hello everyone, now let us see how to search a CPT code. In the current session, we will be discussing a question from cardiac valves. Now first of all, let us see the question. Dr. Steve completed an initial diagnostic left heart catheterization including left ventriculography and supravalvular aortography. Two additional procedures are done. At the conclusion of this diagnostic study, it was determined that patient required transcatheter aortic valve replacement TAVR, transcatheter aortic valve replacement with prosthetic valve, which was completed via transaortic approach. Previously, patient has undergone a diagnostic left heart catheterization. But during this diagnostic study, it was determined that patient required TAVR or TAVI, that is transcatheter aortic valve replacement, and the physician completed TAVR. So how should Dr. Steve report his services? There are four options here. Now, first of all, let us see catheterization. Catheterization is a key term. And first of all, you have to go to artery. Under artery, you need to go for femoral. Under femoral, again you have to go for approach. Under approach, you can find transcatheter aortic valve replacement. And the CPT range is 33361 to 33366. So if you go for the CPT range, the first CPT is 33361, transcatheter aortic valve replacement with the prosthetic valve, percutaneous femoral artery approach. Here, the approach in our question is transaortic approach. Transcatheter aortic valve replacement with prosthetic valve, transaortic approach. So under transaortic approach, the CPT is 33365. So for TAVR, we need to report 33365. This is first CPT. Initially, patient is here for left heart catheterization. So first of all, next thing is you need to go for catheterization. Under catheterization, under left heart, you can find with ventriculography. So left heart catheterization with ventriculography, the CPTs are 93452, 93458, 93459 and 93565. And below that you can find for supravalvular aortography. Here in our question, both ventriculography and supravalvular aortography are performed. So you need to report two CPTs. One CPT for supravalvular aortography and one CPT for ventriculography. So the first CPT is 93452. Let us see what is 93452. Then again we'll go for the description of 93567. And for supravalvular aortography, there is only one CPT, that is 93567. So you need to report this CPT also. If we go for the description of 93452, you can find left heart catheterization including intra-procedural injection for left ventriculography, imaging, supervision and interpretation when performed. So here left heart catheterization for left ventriculography, the CPT is 93452. Along with it, this is an add-on code plus 93567 for supravalvular aortography. Listed separately in addition to the primary procedure. And below that you can find use 93567 in conjunction with 33741, 33745, 93451, 93461 and 93596. 593, 594, 595, 596 and 597. Here we are reporting 93567 along with 93452. 93567 is for supravalvular aortography and this is an add-on code and it must be coded along with the primary procedure. In our question, the primary procedure is 93452. Now let us see the guidelines for appending the modifier, because here multiple procedures are performed. So codes 33361, 33362, 63, 64, 65 and 66 are used to report transcatheter aortic valve replacement. This guideline you can find in the CPT book. Are used to report transcatheter aortic valve replacement, TAVR, or transcatheter aortic valve implantation, either TAVR or TAVI. The CPTs are in the range 33361 to 33366, and both TAVR or TAVI requires two operating physicians. They require two operating physicians, and all components of the procedure are reported using 62 modifier. Whenever we are reporting any of the CPT, that is 33361, 62, 63, 64, 65 or 66, they are done by two operating physicians. So you must append 62 modifier. 62 modifier is indicated for two surgeons. So here, along with 33365, in our question we are using 33365. You need to append 62 modifier. That is first guideline. Next is the diagnostic left heart catheterization codes, that are 93452, 453 and 93458 to 461, and the supravalvular aortography, that is 93567, should not be used with TAVR or TAVI service codes. Generally, they should not be coded together. They should not be used with TAVR or TAVI to report contrast injection, angiography, road mapping and or fluoroscopic guidance for TAVR or TAVI, for aortic or left ventricular outflow measurement for TAVR or TAVI, or post TAVR or TAVI aortic or left ventricular angiography, as this work is captured in the TAVR or TAVI service codes. For all these three cases, they should not be coded together. But there are situations when diagnostic left heart catheterization codes and supravalvular aortography can be coded with TAVR or TAVI. Now let us see those scenarios. Diagnostic coronary angiography performed at the time of TAVR or TAVI may be separately reportable if no prior catheter-based coronary angiography study is available and a full diagnostic study is performed. Whenever there is no prior catheter-based coronary angiography study is available and a full diagnostic study is performed. And second case, a prior study is available but as documented in the medical record. In any of these three cases, you need to code separately. If the patient condition with respect to clinical indication has changed since the prior study, in that case, they can be coded together. Or if there is inadequate visualization of anatomy or pathology, or there is clinical change during the procedure that requires new evaluation or prompted for new treatment. This is important. There is a clinical change during the procedure that requires new evaluation or prompted for new treatment. In our case, during the diagnostic study itself, the physician has took the decision to go for TAVR. So in our scenario, it has prompted for new treatment. So we can code together. And for same session or same day, diagnostic coronary angiography services report the appropriate diagnostic cardiac catheterization codes with 59 modifier. Whenever diagnostic coronary angiography services and diagnostic cardiac catheterization services are done for same session and same day, you need to append 59 modifier for the cardiac catheterization codes in order to indicate separate and distinct procedural services from TAVR or TAVI. Whenever we are coding together, you need to append 59 modifier for the cardiac catheterization codes. in order to indicate separate and distinct procedural services from TAVR or TAVI. Now let us see the question once again. Dr. Steve completed an initial diagnostic left heart catheterization including left ventriculography and supravalvular aortography. So for left ventriculography, we are reporting 93452. And for supravalvular aortography, we are reporting 93567. And because TAVR and diagnostic heart catheterization codes are done on same day, same session, we are appending 59 modifier for the cardiac catheterization code. That is, we are appending 59 modifier to 93452 code. And one more guideline that we have discussed earlier, either TAVR or TAVI codes, they require 2 physicians. Hence, we must append 62 modifier for these codes in order to indicate 2 surgeons are operating the procedure. So the correct option is A, 33365 along with 62 modifier and 93452 along with 59 modifier and 93567. This is an add-on code. And you should not append any modifiers to the add-on codes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for further videos on medical coding and CPC training.